Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn after a job gap without sounding defensive, full guide step by step clearly. Begin with a straightforward introduction about the importance of addressing job gaps. Acknowledge that job gaps are common and can happen for various reasons. Start by updating your LinkedIn profile with your most recent experiences. Consider including any skills or volunteer work you engaged in during your time away from the workforce. Be honest about your experience without dwelling on the gap. Focus on the skills you developed during your time off that are relevant to your career. Use positive language to describe your career break. Highlight any courses, certifications, or professional development you completed during this period. When writing your summary, frame your experience as a time of growth and learning. Mention how these new skills prepare you for your next role. When connecting with others, emphasize your eagerness to re-enter the workforce. Engage with industry-related posts and groups to show your active interest. Share insights or articles that demonstrate your knowledge and passion for your field. Keep your profile photo and header engaging to reflect professionalism. Customize your LinkedIn URL for a tidy and memorable link to share. Consider requesting recommendations from colleagues or mentors who can vouch for your skills and character. Stay proactive by reaching out to your network for potential job opportunities. Prepare for discussions about your gap during interviews by framing it positively. Practice articulating your journey in a concise and confident manner. Remain confident in your value and contributions to potential employers. Finally, update your profile regularly to reflect ongoing learning and professional development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.